I know that there is a lunchbox program in Latin America that provides healthy and affordable fruits for children, that you had your hand in, and you created this program.
That came before solely. That's the way we started working with fruits, because first we started working with potatoes and technologies around potatoes and rice. And then, like 10, 12 years ago, we changed to fruit because the Mexican government needed a solution to give accessible fruit to children, especially in lunchbox programs at schools. So even as you know, in Guanajuato, there is a fruit cart everywhere. Children, unprivileged children in public schools, didn't have access to fruit. Only 20% of the children were eating the recommended amount of fruit in Mexico, which is crazy because there's access. So we invented a technology to make a little bar out of apples, very different from anything that you've seen. We don't have that in the US market, but without losing any nutrient. So it's a shelf stable apple. The only ingredient is apple. You can add nuts or cereals or whatever, but the base is apple. Or the technology can work with local fruits as papaya or sometimes pineapple, etc. And it's a huge program. There's times in the year when we're giving around 1 million of those little bars, which are 1 million apples a day, to children.
And is that a public-private partnership that you
Yeah,
have with the government of Mexico? That's amazing. And that
yeah,
had to also probably be just foundational knowledge and experience for what Sully is today, I imagine.
it is. It was. It's the way we started working with fruit farmers. It's the way we started working with fruits and understanding the difficulty with the bricks level that you explained. Uh, and it's a huge deal because children now are eating fruits. Well, in many states, children now are eating fruit for breakfast instead of sugar-loaded cereals or other types of products. So we're very, very excited, and we love that product. We're so proud of that program.